La ra 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 ra. La ra 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 ra. La ra 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 ra.
Being able to immerse yourself in a group of people that you might not know right off the bat, but then coming together as one and family and connecting on those deep levels just changes you. There's something about this magical place and all the people who join us from all over the world. I love Oasis.
I mean, it's in a glorious location. It's beautiful. I'm so fortunate to have been here 3 times, and I hope to come back again as many years as this keeps going. It's a fabulous place to meet fabulous people. I keep coming back because every single time it's just an amazing group of people. We go through a lot together on the journey to get here. It's a beautiful experience, and there's nothing else I'd rather be.
This is my 2nd time coming to Oasis. It has been such a joy to come back this time. So it's all these magical moments that I think make it such a special place. I'm spending time with some of my favorite hoop friends, and I'm learning from some of my biggest hoop inspirations. It's just been magic. I could not recommend it enough. So I hope you come, and I hope I see you next time.
It's amazing. My time here at Oasis has been nothing short of magical. Daily yoga has been absolutely amazing every morning, getting to hear all the birds and the monkeys. I didn't know anybody coming into this, and everyone has been so nice. Everyone has such like a positive, high energy all together. Like, you don't even have to know each other, and everyone's just happy to be here, happy to talk to each other. This place is, it's kind of life-changing. It's perfect.
My experience here at Oasis has been amazing so far. I had a lot of anxiety and a lot of worry, but Rebecca and Brandon made it very smooth. I feel like it's been an experience of a lifetime.
This is my 3rd Oasis, and it was just life-changing. If you're thinking about it and you're like, maybe, I don't know, and you're feeling so intimidated, or like, am I gonna fit in, or maybe I'm a little bit new, or I haven't hooped in person before, or whatever it is, I highly recommend it. The food is incredible, the people are amazing, the place is magical. We're in this incredible jungle next to the ocean, this incredible environment, safe environment, kind environment. Like, Becca makes sure that the teachers are really not just technically incredible, but also compassionate and kind, and multiple level classes. You will be welcome here, you will be held, you will be taken care of, and you're gonna have a great time.